What are 5 free marketing methods to grow your commercial cleaning business? So guys, welcome back. I'm Rick Brown from Clean Launch, and after making multi-7 figures with my own commercial cleaning business, I'm here to help you do the same. Because if you've ever done something before for the first time, you're obviously gonna suck at it. You only learn with experience. So when it comes to business, you can't learn with trial and error and doing everything by yourself, when we can work together and guide you through the process and launch your commercial cleaning business and all the tools you need in under a week. So on this video, we're gonna go over the 5 free methods to get commercial cleaning leads. So what is the first method? The first method is gonna be cold calling businesses. So you're gonna find businesses and you're gonna call them offering your commercial cleaning services. See, whatever you do in your cleaning business, most people don't have a strategic way to do something, which is why we coach our clients to do this the right way. Provide a script to skip the gatekeeper and talk to the decision maker and offer our cleaning services without being salesy. Because we had clients that just stuck to the bread and butter. They didn't do any digital marketing and they were able to go from $2,000-3,000 a month to $30,000 a month in commercial contracts in only 4 months. And that was because they were motivated. They were willing to put in the work, and with the right strategic outreach method, they were able to get results. Because when you do something all by yourself without any experience, you're gonna waste a lot of time with minimum results. But when you do things right, you're a lot more strategic. Because every professional athlete that wanna do big things in life, they always have a coach guiding them through the process so they don't make the costly mistakes. So now we're gonna talk about the second method, and that is going door to door. See, when you're driving around, there's a lot of commercial buildings and you see an area with a lot of businesses, you can go there and meet with the general manager and offer your cleaning services. Do a walkthrough on the spot. And as I said before, you can do this the right way and the wrong way. Because when I started my cleaning business, I went to walkthroughs and the client didn't call me back because I wasn't pricing correctly. I didn't have a closing process in place. I wasn't following up with the client, and not being able to win a $3,000 per month, $5,000 per month contract is very frustrating, because that could have made hundreds of thousands of dollars in revenue in just a few years. See, when you have a business, there's 2 kinds of people. Those that stay comfortable and continue cleaning, and those that see the outcome of working together. Because if all you did was close 1 commercial contract a month, would it be worth it? Of course, you make your ROI within the first few months. And we both know once you close a commercial contract, it's ongoing revenue. This is the beauty about this business model. Once you close the contract, it's forever. It's ongoing revenue. So we build a portfolio of cleaning contracts over time. So what is the third method? And the third method is messaging people on LinkedIn and posting on LinkedIn. Because on LinkedIn, you can filter out your city and the title of your connections. So if you're in Dallas, Texas, for example, you can add business owners on their title and you can connect with business owners in Dallas. So if you reached out to 1,000 people every single month, do you think you would get at least 1 commercial contract? Of course. When we do something, we have to do things with lots of numbers. We can't do 30 calls and say it doesn't work. It does work when you do it right and you play with big numbers. So what is the 4th method to getting commercial contracts? And that is sending cold emails. When you go to our website, we have a Chrome extension that allows you to extract the owner's email, and you can just send them a cold email introducing yourself, your company, and if they're interested of doing a free estimate about your services. And the 5th way to get leads for your cleaning business is by creating a referral system within your cleaning business. See, if you connect with commercial real estate brokers, carpet steam cleaners, window cleaning companies, or new clients that you have, you can offer them 20% of the contract for the first month as a referral commission. Alright guys? So those were the 5 free methods to getting more commercial leads for your cleaning business. So if you want to join my program and have lifetime access to it and be coached one-on-one, growing your commercial cleaning business, guiding you through the process, and not only that, we won't just coach you and show you exactly how to build a 7-figure commercial cleaning business. But we also build all the tools you need to launch in under a week. Because when I started my cleaning business, I spent 2 months building my website, 2 months building a good proposal, and so much more time building other tools for my business. And why do all that by yourself when we can do that for you? Launch your website, your business email, your brochure, your winning proposal. And if you already have all of that and you're doing 40, 50, 60K a month and you want to get to the next level, we can help you as well. Because if you have a marketing budget, you can get leads on autopilot with digital marketing. Or how can you systemize the operations so you have a system that also earns money for you? So you have a business that's systemized and provides revenue and provides profits every single month. So guys, schedule a call below if you're ready to move forward and take your cleaning business to the next level. So click below, go to our website. There's gonna be more videos showing you more about the cleaning business. And when you're ready, schedule a call with either myself or my consultant so you can launch your cleaning business the right way. Thank you so much for watching. Follow my Instagram, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.